Ready to start your marketing campaign? Wait, did you know there are 20 steps you need to consider before getting started? In today's video, we'll review all of them. If you want to have these steps in a handy checklist, check out the link in the video description to download it for free. All right, let's jump right into number 1. Know your market. The first step to creating a successful marketing campaign is to truly understand your market. Look at your sector's industry reports, customer surveys, and news articles to gain a comprehensive view of your market. For example, Peloton, the fitness equipment and class provider, capitalized on the market trend of home workouts during the pandemic, launching targeted campaigns that spoke directly to people's newfound needs. 2. Identify and analyze competitors. Knowing your competition inside and out will give you a competitive edge. This means analyzing their digital footprint, strategies, messaging, and more. For example, Coca-Cola constantly monitors Pepsi's strategies. When PepsiCo started sponsoring sports events, Coca-Cola followed suit, but went a step further by becoming an Olympic sponsor, creating exclusive promotional campaigns around the event. 3. Define SMART objectives. These are objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A vague goal like increase sales becomes a SMART objective when framed as increase online sales by 20% in the next 6 months through a targeted social media and email marketing campaign. This gives a clear direction to your strategy and a benchmark for measuring success. 4. Understand your buyer persona. This is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer based on market research and real data. Adobe, for example, knows that its Creative Cloud services appeal to a wide range of creatives, from individual freelancers to large corporations. Each persona has different needs, budgets, and pain points, and Adobe tailors its marketing messaging accordingly, offering different packages and pricing models. 5. Determine your budget. Determine how much you're willing and able to spend on your campaign and allocate those funds accordingly. Take MailChimp, for example. They're a marketing automation platform and an email marketing service. As a smaller company, they might not have the advertising budget of a giant like Salesforce, but they make strategic decisions such as utilizing content marketing and a freemium pricing model to attract and convert customers. 6. Choose channels and platforms. Pick the channels and platforms where your target audience spends most of their time. Adobe, for instance, markets its Creative Cloud services on LinkedIn because that's where their target audience, creative professionals, tend to be. They also run campaigns on Instagram and YouTube, demonstrating the capabilities of their software in visually compelling ways. 7. Understand your buyer persona's position in the funnel. Your marketing approach should be tailored to where your potential customer is in their buyer journey. Amazon, for instance, uses personalized email marketing to target customers who have abandoned their carts, sending reminders or offering discounts to nudge them towards a purchase. 8. Define metrics and KPIs. Determine what success looks like by setting clear KPIs. For an online clothing retailer like ASOS, this might include metrics like conversion rate, the percentage of website visitors who make a purchase, average order value, and customer acquisition cost. 9. Choose your analytical tool. Based on your set KPIs, decide on the analytical tools that you'll use. If you're a small business with a focus on social media marketing, you might rely on native analytics tools provided by Facebook or Twitter. Larger businesses with more complex needs might opt for comprehensive platforms like Google Analytics, HubSpot, or Tableau. 10. Create and adapt your creatives. Tailor your creatives to fit the platforms you've chosen. Airbnb, for instance, adapts its content for different platforms. On Instagram, they share visually stunning photos of unique accommodations, while on LinkedIn, they focus on sharing industry news and reports to engage with a more professional audience. 11. Adapt each design for multiple channels. Just as different markets have different preferences, the various channels you market on have unique requirements and audience behaviors. For instance, a video ad for TikTok would be different from one for LinkedIn in terms of content, tone, and length. Dropbox, for instance, uses more professional text-based content for LinkedIn, while its Instagram is filled with visually appealing infographics and shorter, engaging videos. 12. Craft and optimize landing pages. Landing pages play a crucial role in converting leads into customers. Each landing page should be specifically tailored to match the ad campaign that led the user there. For instance, Shopify often creates unique landing pages for different campaigns, highlighting the specific features or promotions that were advertised. 13. Implement CTAs in your ads and landing pages. A call to action, or CTA, prompts your audience to take a specific action, whether it's subscribe now, learn more, buy now. A strong CTA is crucial. Netflix, for instance, uses a strategic, straightforward CTA on its landing page. Join now. 14. A/B test your campaign. A/B testing allows you to determine what works and what doesn't. By testing different headlines, images, or CTAs, you can improve your campaign's effectiveness. Amazon is known for constantly A/B testing different aspects of their website to optimize the user experience and increase conversions. 15. Ensure mobile responsiveness. With a growing number of users accessing content on their phones, your campaign must be mobile friendly. Spotify, for instance, ensures its website and app provide a seamless user experience across all devices. 16. Install conversion pixels. These are tiny pieces of code placed on your website that track user behavior. This allows you to track how effective your ads are and whether there's room for improvement. Facebook, for instance, offers a conversion pixel tool that lets you track and improve your ad campaigns on their platform. 17. Prepare your servers for traffic spikes. If your campaign is successful, your website could see a significant increase in traffic. Companies like Adobe provide cloud services that automatically adjust to traffic spikes to prevent site crashes. 18. Establish a follow-up strategy. Once leads are generated, they need to be nurtured and guided through the sales funnel. This can involve email marketing, retargeting ads, or personal outreach. As an example, Salesforce uses email drip campaigns to nurture their leads, providing them with useful content over time. 19. Hand off your leads to your sales team. A good marketing campaign generates qualified leads, but it's the sales team's job to choose the deal. Clearly define the process for passing leads from marketing to sales. For instance, HubSpot integrates its marketing platform with its CRM, allowing seamless transition of leads to the sales team. 20. Schedule a post-launch review. Once your campaign is launched, set a date to review its performance. Analyze what worked, what didn't, and what you can improve on for next time. There you have it. We kept it brief and to the point. We really hope this video can help you improve your future marketing campaigns and make your life easier. If you want to go even deeper, click on the video on the screen to learn what benchmarking is, or download our ebook with these 20 checklist points to guide you through building your digital campaign. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.